they do not provide a gush or a burst of air. So, P, T, and K is what we'll work on. The P sound. In order to produce an American P, we'll need to obtain a sound which is not so light as an Indian P and not so heavy as a heavy Indian P. Rather, just a sound which is in the middle. First, we need to slightly curl our lower lip inside, close our mouth, and then get some amount of air trapped into your mouth. We then release this air with some pressure. But remember, not too much. Let's try this now. P. Say this 5 times. Now with some words. People, places, pity, power, pick, petite, prison, pipe, present, patriotic, possible, pleasant, personal, private, party, police. Now with some American names. Peter, Patrick, Pamela, Patricia, Paul, Pauline, Pedro, Peggy. So, if the P is in the beginning of a word, it will always be a plosive P sound. And if the P falls in the middle, then most of the times it's a non-plosive P. However, in some cases, even if the P is in the middle, it will still be a plosive P. There's no such rule for this. However, at times apply your own judgment and see in which way does a word sound better. For example, importance, cooperate, appreciate, apologize, opponent, appraisal, improve, cooperation, appreciated, appropriate, applaud, apply, improvise, cooperative, appreciation, upon, apparent, application. Now with a passage. Pauline, Peter, and Patrick were all perfect in their professional college. Patrick pretty much knew it all. Pauline and Peter picked up their degrees prior to Patrick. Pave our path for prosperity was their pledge. Patrick and Pauline would dream of places where they could procure peace and harmony. People would always pity the poor kids for how much they would pressurize themselves in their studies. Now the T sound. In order to produce an American T sound, the tip of your tongue needs to touch on the bottom ridge of your upper gums. Unlike the tip touching in the center of your upper hard palate, like for the Indian T sound. Let's try this now. T. Say this 5 times. Now with some words. Tomorrow, tour, terrible, teenage, terminate, table, time, tournament, turn, tough, tap, tone, tennis, terrific, trial, tiny, tight, tongue.